So Jamie, first time driving the new little Zodiac. What do you think?
It's gonna take a little while to get used to.
It's a little different not having a steering wheel, huh?
It's not that, it's the gas.
The throttle?
Sometimes I give it a little bit of a jolt.
Yeah.
So whiplash.
Whiplash. The dogs, they're enjoying it.
Hello, from Ensenada De La Raza. Just one of the little finger coves over here on the island. We thought we'd stop and check out the mangroves and the land for the dogs and see what we see. Some neat tracks in the sand.
So where you at, Jamie?
I don't know. We just beached it on an open sand. Gonna explore a little bit. Have no idea where I'm at. We are anchored on Isla Espiritu Santo at Ensenada De La Raza. Espiritu Santo is 27 nautical miles from the La Paz harbor. It remains undeveloped and uninhabited, which makes it an ideal destination to explore both land and sea with almost zero distractions. Today we explored between Caleta Ballena down to El Empachado, looking for the perfect spot to scuba, picnic, and hike when our friends arrive. We'll expand more on these locations in future episodes. In the meantime, enjoy. Yesterday on the dinghy we saw like 5 turtles and they just right away. So today I'm gonna go on this and hope to find them and take some video for you. See what happens. The aerial footage Jim captures gives us stunning views of our anchorage. We discovered that the tides can be extreme here. As you get closer to the shore, you'll see the water fading to a lighter color. When the tide goes out, the entire area will be sand. And at other times, when the tide comes in, it is completely full of water. In fact, with a quick Google search, we read that the Sea of Cortez has one of the most remarkable tidal fluctuations in all the world, with an astounding 27-foot fluctuation at extreme high tide. Knowing the tide schedule is crucial if you are beaching your dinghy to explore. a beautiful view of Isla Gallo just outside our anchorage. The island itself is 8 nautical miles long, with stunning rock formations, ridges colored with earth-toned rainbows, sunsets you'll never forget, and of course, countless irresistible clear blue water coves. A much smaller island named Isla Gallina, just south of our anchorage.
So, Jamie, you look like you're wrapping up the day.
It's a wrap. I think we're gonna go get a glass of wine and watch the sunset. Just finish our lovely day.